Okay, welcome to this short video on how to download and install SketchBlock Pro. I'm going to start off by renaming my existing installation because I don't want to mix the files between the professional and light version, so I'm just going to change that to SketchBlock Lite. Then I'm going to start up AmiStore where I've already purchased the program. I just downloading it. In fact, I've downloaded it already, but I've just cleared that out so that you can show you the whole process. So it should come up in a minute and shows you SketchBlock as the first one, being the latest product. I'm just going to log in. And go to the download section. And then SketchBlock Pro is the last of the list. Click on download files and it starts downloading about 30 megabytes, 25 megabytes of stuff. Not the fastest of internet connections in the world, but it'll get there. So while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm just going to open up Press and Screen Press because I'm going to need to create a new screen in a sec. Just trying to speed things up to keep the video short but not too confusing. So as this is like almost done there, it's coming through. When it's done, it's going to offer me a little window to choose where to place the downloaded files. There we go. Right, now it's probably unarchiving the files in the background, I believe. Stitching the archives together, I think, something like that. Shouldn't take too long. And here we go. Now, just choose where to put it. I'm going to put it back in work again. It will create a folder called SketchBlock, so I don't need to choose the name of the folder. Here we go. Doesn't take very long to copy. Right, so now it's copied and installed. So let's close AmiStore to get out of the way. Right, open that. There you see SketchBlock's icon. What I need to do first, though, actually, is to fix a little problem with the AmiStore download where the script files lose their protection bits for some reason. Not really sure why this is, but I'm just going to script. It only matters for the Python files, not the AREX files. So I'm just going to put that script bit back, and so now they're all fixed up. So if you see what I did, I dropped the draw icon onto the shell to CD to the right direction, and then executed the command protect rex hashquery.py to do all of the files, and then +s. In fact, actually, could put all in front to get a couple of subdirectory presets. To try again. Right, now it's definitely done. So I clear that out of the way. Let's start SketchBlock. As you can see, it's opening. I'm pointing at the screen, you can't see that. It's opening on the workbench screen, which is a bit messy. I much prefer to run it on its own screen. And I use the KS theme. We've got a choice of themes, AISS or KS. So it comes with the KS theme enabled by default. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a screen into the screens press. That's the same as the workbench already, so that's fine. And let's name it SketchBlock. SketchBlock will open on the SketchBlock screen if it finds it's present, and give the actual screen a title. Right, now, got this wrong in my previous version. Choose custom theme file. It does actually come, let's just drop that on there to get there quickly. We have a couple of settings in the KS theme which enable it to just choose complementary colours and screen and a few gadgets and things, gadget images, which you can't put into that one, SketchBlock. And we're choosing themes, KS, presets, and this time it's the palette press. So now we've got the screen set up, and I click use. I'm clicking use because actually I have a pre-saved setup for my development environment, so I don't really want to overwrite that one. Right now when we start, we open on our own screen. And you see that the screen border colours match the icon colours in the theme, and there's this little eye image. There's a few other little things. Some of the gadget icons are suitably coloured and that kind of thing, so it all kind of looks nice. It's all kind of tidy because it's on its own screen, and it's kind of ready to go now. So we can just like maybe try some pressure, choose a nice brush, and I'm switching to the palette, to the tablet, so you can do a little bit of shading, and it's all ready to go. Kind of painted kind of thing. Just do a little quick doodle, nothing too complicated because it takes time to do a proper thing. Right, and there you go. SketchBlock Pro ready to go to make your own artwork with. I'm going to follow this up with a little video showing how to create icons. I'll do that soon. Okay, thank you very much.